Alright guys, 2005 Acura TSX. We're going to be doing the rear brake pads. So now you got to jack up your car. Obviously you're going to need to take off your tire. Alright, tires off. Brakes on this side are pretty simple. You just got 2 bolts. They're both 12s. 1, 2, take those both out. If it's spinning, this here's a 17. Hold it while you take it out. So we want more play with the caliper when we pull it off, so we're gonna take off this right here, this 12mm bolt that just holds a brake line in. It's just the bracket. And this 12mm right here that just holds the ABS wire in. So we're under the hood now, and we're going to want to take the cap off the master brake cylinder. That way it allows us to release and move the piston. Once everything's removed, you can just wiggle your caliper off, and you can just slide your brake pads out. You have a little backing plate right there to both sides. We'll just slide right out. As you can tell, it is time to replace these. Alright, so we see this piston, we need to collapse it. So for something like this, you're going to have to use this little special tool. It has different little grooves to sit in those pistons. We'll use this 4-corner side, and this is a 3/8 square, right? So you go ahead, stick your ratchet on it. You get it lined up in here, and you twist clockwise. And you just keep going until you are sitting all the way in, or the piston sitting all the way flush. Notice how it's going pretty easily? That's because we opened the cap on that master cylinder. Alright, so you want to keep going until it sits flush. It's probably about good right there. We got new brackets, and we're going to replace the old brackets. So just, all you got to do is pop them out with a screwdriver and match it with the right one. Slide it back in. Pop out this bracket as well. Bounce it up. Place a new one in. Yeah. Alright. Optional, but you can put a little brake lube down below as well. Now it's time to slide the new brakes in. This here goes down below, this part, in the back. Slide that one in, slide the front one in. Let's take the caliper and put it back together. There's just another hangout right now. Alright, so you're going to take the 12mm and you're going to put your brake line back into that bracket. We actually didn't remove the ABS, only the brake line was needed to remove. Get that going, and then we'll gun it back. Now all you got to do is put your tire back on. And that's how you do the brake pads on the rear. The other side's the same exact.